Hi Cindy, my name's Nina England and I'm with Anchor Trail Marketing here in the San Diego area. We have partnered with Brad to help bring local businesses just a fully rounded digital marketing experience and services. So Brad had reached out to me and he said that you had mentioned something about some retargeting you were wanting to do. And so I wanted to make you this quick video, go over some of kind of where your digital marketing's at and just some kind of tips on what you guys could do to improve on to get more traffic, to get more sales, more rentals out, and just some basic general information. Also, I'll go over a little bit of the retargeting like Brad had mentioned and see if kind of let you guys decide where you want to start and what you want to really look at as far as what your goals are right now. So this video will be a little long, so bear with me. I just have a lot to go over with you. Any of these things that you want to take and implement them yourself, go for it. Anything you need help with, let us know. I'm always here. I'll leave my contact information for you and you can reach out and I'll get you taken care of. So I was taking a look at your site and right off the bat, just a few things. I'm loving your pictures, so great job getting these done. You have some wonderful pictures in here that really brings people into the site and really pulls you in and makes you want to, kind of explore some more. So I was really excited about that. So looking over your site, and I looked over some of your competitor sites and a few things I wanted to show you. So we're going to start, let's see here. So I went ahead and I Googled just, vacation rentals, Mission Beach, San Diego, California. And this is kind of what I came up with. So I came up with kind of your top competitors plus the top people in the map packs. And I noticed that you're not anywhere here on page 1, page 2, and I think you guys are all the way back on like towards the bottom of page 3 when I'm doing this without any kind of history set up on my computer. So with that, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about who is where and why. So one of the things I first looked at was Mission Bay Vacation Rentals. They're right here, number 1 in the map pack. This spot pulls a very large amount of traffic off the homepage, and so this is really important for business owners to be able to get their business up in this spot. So taking a look at their listing here, and then I have your listing pulled up over here and taking a look at your Google My Business. The first thing I see is your Google My Business does need a lot of optimization done to it, and that's something that we do for our clients, or you can go in and do yourself, but that includes adding tons of pictures, making sure every slot is completely filled out as much as Google will let you, and using the dense keywords without stuffing keywords, so using them naturally, but making sure that this is optimized. The second thing that goes into where those map listings rank is what we call citations, and that's all the places on the web where your business is listed. So I ran a citation search with just a little handy tool here I use, and what I see is Mission Bay Vacation Rentals, they have 61 citations and you guys only have 44. This is a really competitive market, so even a couple can make a big difference for you guys. So I would definitely say getting some citation services done is very important for you guys here. So that's going to help improve your Google My Business listing. Now, when I looked at just the organic listings, I pulled up who was ranking there. And those are the organic listings are these just, kind of the regular listings on the page. So Penny Realty is ranking for the Mission Beach area. And so I wanted to take a look and see why they were outranking you guys. So this part is where it gets a little more in depth, but it's actually pretty easy, and this is where you can kind of step in and do a little bit more yourself if you choose to. If not, if you don't have time, that's absolutely why we're here, is so we can help business owners do this and do it right the first time. The biggest difference I noticed between their site and your site is the amount of content. So Google loves content. We all know content is king nowadays online, and they have a ton of content. So I can go up here and I have another little tool that just shows me kind of their pages, and that's what we see here with internal links. So they have like 63 pages of content. You don't necessarily need 63 pages. You just really need a lot of content. So you can see here they have all these pages, and then each one of these pages have a substantial amount of content. So I definitely say add some content to your site. maybe 1,000 words on the home page and 300 to 500 on each additional page to get started. And that is in conjunction with your blog and your blog updates. So another thing that I noticed that affects these organic listings is over here we have a tool, and this tool tells us how much Google trusts a website. The more Google trusts a website, the higher it comes up in the listings. So I compared your guys' websites side by side to see where we were at. And don't get too bogged down by this. It is a little bit technical, but it's not too much, and so I'll kind of explain as I go. So when it comes to the missionbeach.com, their trust flow with Google, you can see here, is 42, okay? And then your trust flow with Google is only 7. So that is what's making that substantial difference. And then you can see here again with the citation flow, their citation flow is 37 and yours is 26. Now for this tool, the citation flow doesn't necessarily mean the amount, but the amount that Google is kind of that amount of power that you're getting from it. So you can see here side by side kind of where that difference is. For their referring domains, their backlinks, and these are, we like to refer to these as votes for your website. They have 720 votes for their website from 151 different addresses. And over here we can see that you have 17 votes from 17 different web addresses. So definitely need to step up getting that backlinking done, so that way your trust flow will go up, and your trust flow will go up, and also getting citations done so your citation flow will go up, and that will substantially increase that. So you probably know all these things I'm kind of talking about all fall into SEO. And SEO is kind of the heart and soul of digital marketing. It is what gets businesses the most traffic. It's what gets them the best turnover rates, things like that. What also goes into our SEO and our full digital marketing is also review management. So what we would do is make sure that we can get, and see you already have 17 reviews at a 4.8, and that is awesome. But we definitely give you some tools to update that, to get those reviews flowing, get more of them, and get the number up a little bit. Also, on using Facebook to boost your reviews, which also helps boost your trust in Google. So I took a look at your Facebook page. Your social media sites work kind of like citations, but the better you can optimize them, the better they're going to help you perform. Not only in your organic rankings, but also in where your clients can find you. And you can rank your Facebook page on the front page of Google along with your website, so you have multiple opportunities for clients to run into you. So on Facebook, what I would recommend is making sure that, again, you have this about section filled out as much as possible. Make sure you're posting at least 3 times a week and using keyword rich content. So in other words, saying, what you're doing, things like that. But at the same time, not being too salesy, because you want a lot of engagement. So social media management is a little tricky when it comes to that. But I tell business owners, just try to post 3 days a week and try to only make 1 of those 3 posts to be a sales post. The other 2, use them for engagement, use them for just, laughs, things like that. All right. But also, again, with the review management, we can work on that with Facebook, get you more Facebook reviews. And these Facebook reviews, as you get them built up, Google will pull them in here into your listings also. And so you'll have even more power showing that you guys are a highly qualified business there. All right, so about the retargeting. How the retargeting works is we would go into your website, and it kind of depends on your goals. So once we find out exactly what your goals are, then we can set out an exact plan. But usually what we do for real estate, vacation rentals, kind of all of that falls into one, is we set up a pixel on the website and a lead capture form. So what that means is people put in, their basic information. We capture that lead and with the Facebook pixels. So then we can use Facebook ads to continue to target them, and they can see that traffic flow. We also can take that lead capture, put it into an email marketing campaign, because email marketing still works. It is an amazing tool that everybody should absolutely be utilizing. And so we can take that lead capture, we can put their emails into an email marketing campaign, and you can regularly remind your customers of you. You can also follow up with them as far as, you know, if it's been a year or so since they've taken a vacation, you can remind them, you know, it's time to take a vacation again and we have these properties available. So there's a lot of different things we could do with that as far as depending on what your goals are. So that's kind of what I have for you right now. This, like I said, this is just a basic kind of overview. So get in touch with me. Let me know. We can go over your goals, what you guys are trying to accomplish short term and long term, and I can give you some more specific details on how we can make that happen and how we can work within your budget. So I hope to speak to you soon. And again, my name is Nina England with Anchor Troll Marketing. And yeah, I'll give this information to Brad to pass on to you, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Have a great day.